Hello everybody, Jeff at Cutter Masters. We're going to show you quickly how to put the rocker belt tensioning assembly together on the Tradesman. It consists of a few parts. This is the spring cup, torsion spring. And that's the body and the bushing. There's a couple of holes up there that adjust tension, and these holes down here, whether it's used right or left, are designed to adjust tension. The short part of the spring goes into the cup. The longer part goes into the holes up there. Notice also there's a flat on the shaft. This flat corresponds with the set screw, which is the 532, got a 532 drive like the rest of the screws. And you've got to hold the assembly together with your hands, some tension on the spring. So the flat lines up with the set screw when you put it together. Your choice of holes on the inside will govern the tension. So, I'll put this together for you. So Ian has selected a hole in the inside of the cup, and he's now matching with his favorite hole on the rocker body. And then he knows where the flat is. Flat is basically straight down, so you want to tighten that set screw so the flat is, you want to orient it so the flat's down when you try to tighten the set screw. And that's about it.